The next we are going to learn this kanji. This kanji had the konyomi shi, and the kunyomi ichi. This kanji had the meaning of market or city or town in English. So when you see this kanji, you should remember that it had the meaning of city, town, or market. The next, let's go to see some example of how to use the kanji. Shi is mean city. Shi mean is mean citizen or citizenry or public. Citizenry or public. This kanji you will see that shi is mean the city, right? Mean the people. So the people in the city is mean citizen. So when they use the word she mean that is mean citizen or citizenry or the people in the town, right? So when you learn Japanese, you should know the meaning of each kanji, and when they compound together, you can know the meaning and the reading. Next, shigai. Shigai is mean urban areas or the streets or town or city. But actually, shigai is mean urban areas. Next, ichi is mean market or fair. Market or fair. Ichiba is mean town market or street market or marketplace. But ichiba is mean market, but sometimes they use the market on the street. Sometimes they will use the market that near the town. So anywhere that many people sell things and buy things, you can call that ichiba. For the word ichiba, the ichi is mean the market or the city, right? But ba is mean the bash, is mean the place. So the place in the city is mean market or the area that many people sell and buy something. So when they compound together, you can say ichiba is mean market. The next, shiyakusho. Shiyakusho is mean municipal office or council or city hall. Municipal office, council or city hall. But actually when you say